been here for a number of years now, and so when we first moved in, it was just Peter and I, just the two of us, and then obviously, like a lot of couples, we had some kids along the way, 3 of them, so we just needed a little bit more space.
We just wanted the house to flow a little bit better, also to the outdoors with our pool area and everything.
The budget and the schedule were both met. Budget was really important to us, that was a key factor. We didn't go to the bank and seek a loan for this. We sort of wanted to pay for it out of our own savings, which we worked hard for, and wanted to make sure we could get what we want for that budget. Ryan was really good at understanding that and working within that budget, but at the same time giving us what we want. We didn't really feel like we had to compromise on too much, so he just had a really good understanding of that from the start. The most surprising thing when I walked through the front door is seeing that big open hallway flowing right through to the deck into the backyard. It sort of gets me every time, so I really enjoy that. Yeah.
For me, it's definitely my kitchen. It far surpasses every dream that I had for a new kitchen. Way bigger and way brighter and lighter and much more amazing than anything I've had.
For me, the main concern was probably some past experiences I'd had with some builders. We wanted someone that we could trust, but to do it within the budget, within the scheduled time frame. I think the other thing that was important to us is that Peter and I are not builders. Okay, we couldn't be further from builders. Ryan understood that. He didn't look to take advantage of that like others might. Instead, he worked with us to overcome that and keep us in the loop, communicated well. If there were issues that arose, then we were able to sort of discuss that on a layman's term level. There were some things in the plans that probably weren't drawn up as they should have been, so he came to us with those, not just as a problem, but also took the time to find solutions as well.
We lived through a horror story, basically, in constructing our pool.
Having a builder like Ryan, who was able to project manage things for us too was really important, and to be able to trust him to do that was also really important.
The people that you have working for you, Ryan, are incredible. Like, we couldn't be happier, could we? And us living here is not always ideal, when you've got construction going on around you. They
were polite, respectful, courteous. They kept a clean work site and nothing was too much trouble, so I think it's a credit to Ryan. And he talked the talk early, and they definitely walked the walk as well, so it was great.